In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to increase your Google Workspace storage. If you've been using Google Workspace for a while, you might have noticed that storage can fill up quickly, especially if you're dealing with extensive files or collaborating with a team. Let's navigate this together to ensure you have the space you need to keep your work running smoothly. To begin, log into your Google Workspace account and access your dashboard. You'll notice an array of options available to you, but our focus today is on storage. Locate and click on the storage option. This dashboard area is crucial because it provides you insight into how much storage you've used and how much remains available. Keeping an eye on this metric can help prevent unexpected storage issues. Next, hover your cursor over the Workspace storage section. You might see a prompt that says, "Need more storage?" This is an indicator that you're nearing your storage limit or may require additional storage soon. It's always a good idea to be proactive, so even if you're not currently maxed out on storage, knowing how to increase it is beneficial. Now, let's assume you do need more storage. Click on this prompt and you'll be presented with several storage options tailored to fit different needs and budgets. This flexibility is beneficial because it allows you to choose a plan that aligns with your specific requirements. You might choose to upgrade individually, or if you're managing multiple accounts, consider a plan that accommodates your team. It's important to consider not just your current needs, but also anticipate future storage requirements. If you foresee growth or an increase in data usage, opting for a slightly larger plan might save you the hassle of upgrading again soon. In addition to selecting the appropriate storage plan from the options provided, take a moment to review any additional details and conditions presented to ensure you understand what is included. It's an important step that prevents surprises later, as you might discover helpful features bundled with certain storage plans. In cases where you find there's no immediate need to expand because your storage isn't yet close to full, don't hesitate to regularly return to this part of your dashboard for updates. Storage needs can change over time due to factors like new projects, expanded teams, or even seasonal data spikes. To sum it up, managing your Google Workspace storage proactively is an essential part of maintaining smooth business operations. By following these steps, you can easily increase your storage, ensuring you always have the space you need when you need it. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide empowers you to manage your storage like a pro.